Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to revolutionize your DIY projects with an exceptional tool? Buckle up because we present to you the router POF 1400 Ace from Bosch Home & Garden, a gem of engineering. Designed for demanding craftsmen. Before diving into the fascinating details of this technological marvel, imagine for a moment the ultimate precision combined with unmatched power. This is what the router POF 1400 Ace from Bosch Home & Garden offers you. And you won't want to miss this unique opportunity to take your projects to a whole new level, so stay with us until the end, because the best is yet to come. The router from Bosch Home & Garden is aimed at passionate DIY enthusiasts in search of precision and power. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, this versatile tool will meet all your requirements with ease. Imagine diving into your most ambitious projects with a tool that perfectly combines power and precision. This is what the router POF 1400 Ace from Bosch Home & Garden provides. Its powerful 1400-watt motor excels, providing you with the capability to perform demanding tasks in all types of wood. Bosch's constant electronic regulation ensures optimal cutting quality. And the micrometric depth adjustment offers remarkable precision from 1 to 10 mm. If you are looking to revolutionize your woodworking, click the link in the description now to discover the router POF 1400 Ace and order it at the best price. Ease of use is at the heart of Bosch Home & Garden's router. Imagine ergonomic handles designed to ensure smooth guidance of the tool, combined with perfect visibility thanks to the two integrated work LEDs. You will never be in the shadow of your projects again. The micrometric depth adjustment for milling, with graduations of 0.1 mm, ensures extreme precision, meeting the demands of the most delicate tasks. Want to learn more about this revolutionary router POF 1400 Ace? Click the link in the description to access all the information and take advantage of an exclusive offer. But that's not all. The router POF 1400 Ace from Bosch Home & Garden exceeds expectations when it comes to bit changes. Thanks to the integrated spindle lock and Bosch SDS system, you can say goodbye to complications when replacing the tool. Imagine the ease with which you can set up the copying ring without any additional tools. This is efficiency at its best. Don't waste any more time. Click now on the link in the description to order the router POF 1400 Ace and discover thousands of customer reviews that attest to its exceptional performance. The router from Bosch Home & Garden does not just shine with its power and precision, it also includes smart features to enhance your experience. Imagine an integrated work light. It perfectly illuminates the workpiece, even in the darkest corners. To prevent any inconvenience, a transparent dust shield has been added, ensuring optimal visibility of the tooltip, even during routing tasks. Don't miss the opportunity. Click on the link in the description to discover the router POF 1400 Ace from Bosch Home & Garden and take advantage of its exceptional features at an unbeatable price. Did you think that was all? The router from Bosch has even more surprises in store for you. With a cutting capacity of 5.5 cm, a light weight of 3.5 kilos, a soft touch handle, and an ergonomic grip, this router POF 1400 Ace is a true gem of ergonomics and performance. The no-load speed of 28,000 revolutions per minute makes it a fast and efficient tool for all your projects. You are about to discover the ideal companion for your DIY projects. Click on the link in the description to order the router POF 1400 Ace from Bosch Home & Garden and take advantage of the exclusive offer reserved for our customers. Let's now summarize the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Exceptional power. With its 1400-watt motor, the router POF 1400 Ace from Bosch Home & Garden offers exceptional power for tackling demanding tasks. Advantage number 2. Micrometric precision. The micrometric depth adjustment allows for precision up to 0.1 mm, meeting the needs of the most delicate tasks. Advantage number 3. Easy bit change. The integrated spindle lock and Bosch's SDS system make changing bits quick and hassle-free. Advantage number 4. Improved visibility. The integrated work LEDs and the transparent dust guard ensure perfect visibility during routing tasks. Advantage number 5. Complementary accessories. Supplied with a variety of accessories, including a parallel stop, a copy ring, and a vacuum adapter, the router POF 1400 Ace from Bosch Home & Garden offers great flexibility. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Relative weight. With a weight of 3.5 kg, the router POF 1400 Ace could be perceived as relatively heavy for some users. Disadvantage number 2. Electric cables. Powering through electric cables could restrict mobility, requiring a nearby outlet. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Router POF 1400 Ace from Bosch Home & Garden remains an exceptional choice for those seeking an optimal balance between power, precision, and ease of use. In conclusion, the Router POF 1400 Ace from Bosch Home & Garden is much more than just a tool. It is the ultimate partner for all passionate and demanding DIY enthusiasts. With exceptional features such as constant electronic speed control, micrometric depth adjustment, Bosch's SDS system, and much more, it offers you the power and precision you've always dreamed of. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Click the link in the description to order it at the best price right now. Learn more about its features and discover all the customer reviews that attest to its excellence. Happy woodworking, and thank you for your attention.